look at that cart roll. Better. Woo! Look at that cart roll. So today is just a big beautiful day. Hi, and welcome to my new show. S-T-A-N-N-E-R-S. Right, this is the new show. So go around, tell everyone you know about Spanners. S-P-A-N-N-E-R-S. Woo! Spankers. Hi, the first thing we're going to do is introduce everyone. Say hi, Ellie.
Hi. Lydia!
Hi. Say hi to our two tech producers. Say hi to people. Josh. Hi to people. Say hi to people. Josh. Hi to the people out there. Call me. Anyway, the next thing we're going to do is... I don't know. Well, let's take a look at the basket.
Karaoke!
Oh, look what I pulled out. Karaoke. Woo! K-A-R-O-T-E. Okay, Ellie, let's go. Let's get jamming. 1, 2, 3, hit it! Woo! Come on. Press play. Sorry, it's Guitar Hero. I don't have a real guitar. Welcome to the jungle. We got fun games. We got everything you want. Everything you need. Blah blah blah. I don't know the words to this song. Well done, you broke my Guitar Hero guitar, whatever they called it in the pop world.
And now I am going to put my head in bowl of salad.
Woo! This is the dare we made up for Ellie earlier. If she said, find them, I'll do it. What the hell? Woo! Well done, Ellie! Yeah! You deserve a round of applause on the floor! Now this is Rocket Melody! Oh yeah, look at the road courses! Woo! Look at our sound check guys! In the background! Oh, Josh! There's a dead from the other road. No, need space! Fire spread! We got 5 minutes left! Stop! Now it is! Let's take a look at the basket! Ooh, what's she gonna pick out this time? I wonder what. Chicken one! Come on! Right. Take us for the rules of Cocoon Wars, Josh. What? Take us for the rules of Cocoon Wars. That cocoon rolls along the floor and tries to roll over that cocoon. That cocoon rolls along the floor and tries to roll over that cocoon. Wait, Foster Free wins! Are you ready? 5, 4, 3! article of wonderfully random stuff. Whoa! I think we have a winner! It's now Harry Bond! Woo! Look at that sunset guy running like a lunatic on decaffeine. Well, caffeine coffee. Sorry, not decaf.
Filming me, you're not. You're meant to be filming there.
Right. What is Olivia going to do about this? What is your tactics? Right. My tactics are to roll. My tic-tacs are to... Well, my tic-tacs are to roll up fairly. While she rolls up to me, I quickly roll out of the way of her, and she'll carry on rolling, but I'll roll the other way. And good plan. Good plan. Right, we got 3 minutes and 40 seconds left of filming. 3, 2, 1. It looks like we have a winner! Olivia! Woo! I told you your tic-tacs will work. Hey,
I knew my TikTok would work.
hey, did you just take your tic-tacs at me? I bet you didn't. Sorry.
Oh, it's too sad.
Right, what is Olivia going to pull out of the magical basket? Whoa. It is going to be... let's see. Random dancing! Woo! Let me just spell out. Let's spell spanners. S-P-A-N-N-E-R.
Random dancing.
Look at that headdress. It's like for the win. In our cocoon suit. What a ledge. Look at Josh. My face. No, don't stop. You don't want to get it anyway. Sorry. Woo! That concludes our show.
Bye, everyone.
The last thing is to say, comment on our video.
Goodbye.
And we might give you more. If you subscribe to us, then we might give you more videos. Right, put what you want in the comments. Put what you want us to do in the comments, please. More dares and stuff like that. More wonderfully random stuff. And more crazy stuff.